Martha House is the residence of an archaeologist, and for this reason, it was conceived using rudimentary and artisanal techniques, with the goal of unifying time, form, and context through its composition and the ancestral origin of its materials. It is located between the municipalities of Ensenada and Rosarito in the urban zone of La Mission, Baja, California, Mexico, where the landscape is densely populated with tourism-oriented architecture. The lot measures 15 by 40 meters and features a rugged topography. The house was designed for Martha and Bill, with a focus on the visual arts, a retirement refuge for the couple that integrates with the surrounding desert environment and faces the Pacific Ocean. Martha House is composed of 3 levels. The first level is divided into 2 parts, one dedicated to guests with 2 bedrooms, and the other functioning as a painting and carpentry studio or as a garage. The main construction material is compacted earth. The land and its topography are consolidated as the very raw material of the house, perfectly suited to the context of the site. The terraces above the lower levels offer the residents various options for enjoying outdoor living. A natural ventilation patio separates these 2 halves of the house. The second floor functions as the heart of the home, housing the living room, dining room, and kitchen. It features large windows and shaded porches with handcrafted panels made of salt pine wood. This lattice work provides protection from prevailing winds, adds privacy to the interior, and creates a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. At the back of the social area, a staircase leads to the 3rd level, where the master suite is located, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This upper floor provides the best vistas and is separated from the guest rooms to ensure privacy for all occupants. Martha House emerges and is shaped with deep sensitivity and respect for its surroundings. The main building material is compacted earth, thus, the terrain and its topography become its raw material.